What is up, you guys? It's your boy Ves, back at it again with another video. So basically this video would be educational, Nox, and I want to reach to people who experienced getting their Twitter suspended or locked because of changing their birthday. I believe na yung issue na to is last year, pero yeah, na-experience kasi siya like ngayon lang din 2019. So I hope na yung mga na-experience na to ay matulungan ko, and to give of course awareness sa mga hindi pa nakaka-experience nito para maiwasan na mangyari ito sa inyo. Sa mga next clips guys ay makikita nyo yung step by step na ginawa ko kung paano ko na-retrieve yung Twitter account ko. So wala nang pasikot-sikot pa. Let's get the VTR rolling. VTR. To demonstrate the whole actual process, I created a dummy account. According to Twitter's policy, the user must be 13 years old and above at the time the account was created. In this example, I used my birthday because I am currently 21 years old. However, if the user who is under 13 years old wanted to change it into his or her actual birthday, a prompt box would confirm the changes and can affect the account depending on the policy violated. In this case, being under 13 the time it was created, this violation led to temporary account suspension. At this point, worry no more because the next steps are easy. Click the hyperlink that would allow you to submit a ticket with regards to your issue. Note that in filling out information, make sure you use a name that is 13 years old and above. Twitter would only specifically verify the age of the name and the government ID inputted regardless whether you are that person or not. So it can be a friend, a parent, a relative, as long as he or she is 13 years old and above at the time the account was created. So in my case, I used my mom's name and her driver's license. Review your provided information, then click submit and wait for the response from Twitter in your assigned email address. In my case, it took like 30 minutes after they replied. It depends actually. If you follow the steps right, you'll get a positive feedback from Twitter saying you have restored access to your Twitter account. Yay! So go back to Twitter, click refresh, then boom! Welcome back to Twitter. However, every information such as tweets, likes, DMs, etc. would be removed that were made before you were 13. But don't you worry, your following and followers will not be affected. Because my actual Twitter is 9 years old, Twitter sent additional emails such as the ones you see on screen to tell me they removed information before I was 13. The older the account, the more processing time is needed. So this ends my video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Happy tweeting!